Hello everyone. Today we are going to launch a static HTTP website using a Google Cloud storage. So first we are going to log in to our console, browse to the quick access cloud storage. We're going to create a bucket and this is going to be blah blah HTTP storage website 106. Let's go with continue. Let's go with regional storage. I'm going to go with US East 1. We're going to with the standard default class. We're going to skip past hierarchical namespace and enforce public access prevention. Well, I would like to make the access the website and make it public, so I would need public access. So I'm going to disable this and let me go and create. Well, the bucket has been created and I'm going to upload a file. Well, I'm uploading a basic index.html file here. So I have done that. Now let me go to the configuration and protections. So let me edit the project access. Sorry, not this. Let me go to the bucket. Let me click on it. Let me click on permissions, edit project access. I'm going to add a principal. The principal is going to be all users. All users. As you can see, a warning pop-up uh, appears. Let's look at the role. I'm going to look at storage object viewer. And let's click on save. I get a warning. Allow public access. The website has been made public. Sorry, the bucket has been made public. Now, let me go on to the 3 stars here and edit website configuration. The main index page is going to be index.html. You can also upload a 404 page, but for the time being, I'm skipping it. And please make sure it's when you're editing the website configuration, the index page and the uploaded page has the same file name. So let's click on save. Now let's look at load balancing. Let me click on a load balancer, create a new load balancer. I'm going to create an application load balancer. It's going to be a public facing load balancer. It's going to be for global workloads. I prefer it to be a global workload. For the classic application load balancer, just going to prefer the advanced traffic management system over here. And let's click on continue. And what would the front-end IP be? You've got a couple of details that we need to fill in here. One, the front-end IP rule is going to be storage bucket. Well, or sorry, it's going to be a website front-end. And I'm going to stick with HTTP protocol, not HTTPS. And IP address is going to be ephemeral. And I can go with a public IP address, but for the sake of saving cost, I'm going to stick with ephemeral. It's going to be on port 80, and we are done. Now let's look at the backend configuration. Create a backend bucket. Bucket backend. I'm going to browse the existing storage. This is my storage bucket. I'm disabling Cloud CDN because it's a paid product. So I'm going to save some cost over here. And okay, the routing rules. I don't want to enable advanced host and path rule. It's going to be a simple host and path rule. For the time being, I'm going to finalize the front end, the back end, and the routing rules. Let's click on create. Okay, I forgot to give the load balancer name. It's a bucket balancer with a typo. And there we have it. Yeah, as you can see, this is my IP port. I'm going to update this into my array record on my domain provider, and I'm going to circle back with you on again. As you can see, I have access deploybob.com, and yeah, I've got this. There you have it. It's time to clean up. So what we're going to do is click on the load balancer, click on delete, and the backend buckets are also going to be deleted when I click on the checkbox. So, yep. However, let's verify if the backend bucket has been actually deleted. Let's look at storage, buckets. Well, it's not. Hmm. Still, I'm going to delete it. Maybe the backend connection was deleted. I did not completely read it through. Sorry about that. So, there you have it. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.